One of the best facial scrubs for men and women. Let's go make it. A teaspoon of coffee. A teaspoon of sugar. A teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Two teaspoons of milk. Because we used aloe vera gel, we use a fork to mix. I will read all your comments and reply. Write me your comments and opinions. Mix well, to reach the concentration in the video. Great, now it's time to use it. Apply the mixture gently on the face, using cotton. It smells really good. You can help me a lot just by liking. Thank you for your like. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. Wait for 5 minutes, and then wash your face with mild water. Let's go to see the result. My skin is really soft and I feel good. You can use this scrub twice a week. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. We are human with any race.